Morning, Steve Free in Chicago. Happy Wednesday. Nice weather here in Chicago. Some scattered showers across the Midwest. Temperatures have kind of backed off from the heat. We actually are up in the grains. Beans up 10 cents, wheat up 3, corn up 3. A little bit of consolidation going on. I think there's two factors in the marketplace. Number one is that the second week forecast, the maps are having some problems trying to figure out what's going to happen. One map shows hot and dry conditions across the Midwest. The other map shows kind of normal conditions. So we might be trying to put a little bit of weather uncertainty in the prices. Number two, it's interesting to note that the last USDA daily announcement of soybean sales to either unknown or to China was on July 15th. July 14th, November futures high was 11.23. Monday's low was 9.63. Chinese soybean crush margins have improved. They may come back in and show some buying interest in the market, so we also might be putting a little bit of speculation in the beans that China could come back in and start buying beans again after this sharp loss in futures prices. Still, we'll be watching China's soybean reserve auction on Friday. If they continue to sell beans to the crushers, that could reduce their import numbers and offer some resistance to the market. So a lot of uncertainty in the grains right now. Outside markets, you've got the dollar higher, you've got crude lower, and you've got some issues in Japan, you've got some issues in Europe, and you've got some issues in China that are all adding a little uncertainty to their economies and to their equity markets. It's interesting, we're starting to get some pictures in of ear sizes in South Dakota, Nebraska, western Iowa, and trying to show that the ears are not as big as what the crop ratings suggest. This time of year there's always speculation on how big the crop is, and when you have this heat, if the ears are actually filling out to what they look like from the window driving 60 miles an hour down the road. So we'll see if that has any impact. Right now the market feels, if you look at the ratings, the size of the crop should be bigger than what the USDA is guessing. There's some reports of world vegetable oil getting a little bit higher in soybean oil. Talk about Brazil and Argentina crush coming down, and also that there is shortages of veg oil in the Argentina grocery stores. So we'll see if that has any impact on this weaker soybean oil market that we've seen over the last 10 days to 14 days. Traditional funds, buyers of beans, meal, and oil yesterday, sellers of corn and wheat, continue to hold this big long in the soybean position to see what happens to the August weather, increasing their short corn position, and still big shorts in the wheat. So got a little uncertainty in the weather, got a little uncertainty as far as global economy is concerned, and maybe some prices are right for China to come in and buy some beans. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.